The first snapshot of this issue. Now the issue is with keys 1, 4 and 7. See, I'll press 0. This is designed so that the light goes off at 0. The issue is with 1, 4 and 7. I'll show you what the issue is. So this is 1. But behave when I press 1. See, both 1 and 2 goes off. 4 and 5, yes. 7 and 8, yes. So when I press the keys 1, 4 or 7, the keys adjacent to it is being automatically activated. Now how does this translate to on the keyboard? Like this. When I press 1, 1 and 2 will appear. When I press 4, 4 and 5 will appear. 7, 7 and 8 will appear. This doesn't happen for anything else like 9 or 8 or 6 or 5 or 3 or 2 or 0. And neither for the rest of the keyboard as well. So here is what is interesting. I have already connected this device to one more Windows 10 based machine, a Windows 11 laptop and my Chrome desktop, as in my Chrome laptop. However, this issue prevails and this seems to be a pure mechanical issue. I'll demonstrate again. I press 1, 1 and 2 goes off. 4, 4 and 5 goes off. 7, 7 and 8 goes off. But if I do a 2, nothing else. 5, none. 8, none. 9, none. 6, none. 3, none. Can you try number lock? Not so much. So anyways, I'm going to stop there and call this an issue.